You've now learned how to add controls and change their properties, but some controls come with extra features that can only be accessed using the QuickTasks menu. You'll use the QuickTasks menu in this lesson. To begin, open the My Project sample file from your Sample Files folder. And open mypage.aspx in Design View, if it isn't open already. Now click the Calendar control that you added in the previous lesson. And you're going to open the QuickTasks menu for the calendar. When a QuickTasks menu is available for a control, a small arrow icon will appear on the top right corner of the control when you select it in Design View. Click the arrow to open the QuickTasks menu. Only a few of the standard ASP.NET controls use QuickTasks, mostly the controls that display lists of items. The more complex controls, especially those under the Data category, have many different QuickTasks options. For now, it is only important that you know how to access the QuickTasks menu. Any important QuickTasks will be covered in detail as the relevant control is introduced later in the course. Next, you're going to auto-format the calendar by using QuickTasks. Click Auto Format in the Calendar Controls QuickTasks menu. A dialog appears from which you can select a format for your calendar. Click the Simple format and click OK. Your calendar's format is changed to match the format you selected. Of course, your own calendar will show the current month and date. Next, let's view the code that was added by the QuickTask. Switch to Source View, and you can see that a lot of code was added to your page when you applied the auto format. If you were very patient, you could set all of these properties manually using the skills that you've learned already. But auto format makes your life a lot easier. Most QuickTasks help to speed up tasks that would usually require you to set a lot of properties manually. Now, using the skills that you learned in Lesson 115, add a drop-down list control to the page between the text box and button controls. You'll find the drop-down list control in the Standard category of the toolbox. Next, you're going to use the QuickTasks menu to add some items to your drop-down list control. Switch to Design View and open the QuickTasks menu for your new drop-down list control. Then click Edit Items. A dialog appears. Click the Add button to add a new item to your drop-down list. Now in the right-hand pane, set the text property to Yes. The Value property is automatically set to match the text property. You will explore the drop-down list control in more detail in Lesson 4.7. Now add another item by clicking Add. This time, set its text property to No. And click OK. In the case of the drop-down list control, you could also have accessed the Edit Items dialog through the control's Items property in the Properties window. However, QuickTasks options sometimes allow you to do things that are not possible simply by using the Design view and the Properties window. In some cases, a QuickTask will allow you to use a simple dialog to quickly create complex code that would otherwise take an enormous amount of effort to type in manually. Start debugging now to test your code. Your drop-down list now offers the choices Yes and No. Close your browser now and examine the code in Source View. You can see that 2 list item lines of code were added by the QuickTask. Close Visual Studio now, and you've now completed Lesson 1:16. Use the QuickTasks menu.